Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a super quick video. And say hello to Foxy. So I gave a trim on my Chamaerops here, Chamaerops humilis. So yeah, you guys tell me what you think, and I'll show you some before and after photos. Yeah, so the only reason I was kind of hesitant not to do this earlier, giving my Chamaerops here a trim, was because I do like the full figure look. So I decided to show off the legs and see how that appeals to me. And anyways, just want to get you guys feedback. Tell me what you think. I'm going to shoot up some just pan around here. I can get down a little bit lower. Pan around there. I'm gonna put up some before pictures right now. And after. So yeah, just a little trim. I think it looks nice next to the Trachycarpus here. And yeah, it gives it a different look for sure. Anyways, just want your opinions, guys. And I didn't really want to do this. I do have another Chamaerops there. I'm going to keep it full-bodied right there, and a little guy right there. This guy I decided to yeah, give it a little trim and show off the legs, like I said again. So again, you guys let me know what you think. And also, just before I forget, I did remove one of my Trachycarpus, the tequila I had here, and replace it with two Musa Bajus here. So yeah, I decided that I was gonna just put the Trachycarpus tequila back in a pot, and that's over here. So what I'm gonna do is just keep this in a pot now. Maybe next year I'll find another spot for it, but so that was just over there. And again, I just I don't know, I just wanted to change things up. Change is good sometimes, and I think the bananas look better here anyways, next to the Chamaerops and the Trachycarpus. So yeah, again, you guys let me know what you think, and have a great weekend. And again, thanks for watching, guys. Always appreciate it. Take care. Cheers.